Make I tell you something. Na rough things rough oh. Na rough 19's rough. Nothing don't spoil at all. Nothing spoil. You feel say things don't sour. Things sour. Things no balance. E no be as you expect them to be. Agree say things don't sour. Agree say things spoil. Even if you say things spoil. But e never finish. E never finish. Man, I tell you, everybody where you see, where you dey eye, where you dey pray say make your own better, as your own take better. Nobody just arrive oh. Nobody comot from anywhere just like that. Nobody just arrive. Everybody where you dey see, where you dey pray say make God do am for you, the way God take do am for them. Them too, them go through rough situation. Them too, them go through some of these things where you too they go through. Their own, some of them, their own even worse past your own. Men, they rise for season. Everybody own, e go better. This life, it be like market. The time where some people they go market, now some people they cook. When some people they eat, now some people they make fire. When some people they wash plates, now that time some people they wake up to prepare go market. Life now in season. Men they rise for season. Everybody no go shine at the same time. If your own never do, e no mean say e no go done. When your food never done, e no mean say hungry go kill you. Everybody where you see, God go bless everybody. God go do am for everybody. Things rough now. You know me say e don't finish, my brother. You know me say e don't finish oh. Na rough, e just rough. Ma, I tell you. Before things go balance for anybody, life no balance itself. This life when you see, life no balance. Don't be say life balance so. Where e better pass? Where e better pass? E get where e green pass. E no green for anywhere pass so. Life no balance at all. This life no balance. Now only God na in balance. Only God na in balance. If you go stay for the path where balance, now be say you go stay for the side of God. Because as it be so, now only who get God na in balance. Only who get God na in balance. So, don't think say life don't end. E never finish oh. Na bitter na e bitter. E bitter na no me say no go sweet tomorrow. Na sour 19 sour, e never finish. Because your pocket dry, e no mean say you no get trouser. Okay, people wey no get trouser anko, wetin dem go talk? People wey no even get waist to wear the trouser anko, you get pocket, you get trouser. If you no get waist, wetin you go come talk? Wetin you go come talk when you no get waist? If things rough today, no, you know, because e go better pass tomorrow. You no get money, but at least you get pocket. You get trouser, at least. You get waist, at least. At least you even get waist sef. You say you get waist. At least you no get trouser, you get waist. No see say na who die na him own finish. You no see say na who die na him own finish. Na person wey die na him own finish. So abeg, make you happy. Happy. Na just for some time, 90s go rough like this. E no go dey like that day. E no go dey like that day. You no know say rough times, e no dey hard, e no dey last, e no dey stay too long. Na people wey tough, na them dey fit pass through tough times. E go pass. My brother, e go pass. How many times person get to live for this world? How many? Before you know, now person go drink water drop cup. Night don do, evening don come, person don old age don come. So tell me, how many years you wan come take dey worry? How many years you wan come take dey beat yourself for wetin you dey cry and wetin you no get? If you come kill yourself now, when the things come, now who go enjoy am? Now who go enjoy am when e come? So why you wan kill yourself? Why you wan beat yourself because of wetin never done or the food wey never done? You no mean say e no go done. No dey carry life, no dey carry am like say God no go ever do am. At least you don see people wey be say God dey do am for. You don see say God do am for person before. I think if God do am for your neighbor, you go know say God dey your neighborhood. Relax. Na rough things rough. E never finish. E never finish. E never finish at all. E never finish. E never finish oh. E never finish. As long as say you get life, my brother, e never finish. If you know better for you before, if e never better for you before, e go better now. If e don better for you before, na so e go dey better dey go. Make you no kill yourself. Abeg, make you thank God. Make you thank God oh. Make you thank God. You know say e get wetin people dey believe say if person dey abroad, e be millionaire. Everybody wey dey abroad, e come be like say abroad na cure for poverty. Abroad na cure for poverty. See, e go shock you say e get people for this abroad. Na under bridge dem dey sleep. Under bridge na dem dey sleep. Dem no get house. Dem go comot in the morning. Dem go beg money. Dem go come back in the night. Dem go come sleep under darkness. Dem go put carton for ground. Dem go take am sleep. May this one tell you say no be by location. May e tell you say no be by location. No be lie. This one dey tell you no be lie. No be lie oh. E dey. E dey. Abroad wey you dey hear, abroad wey you dey hear, no be everybody get house for abroad oh. No be everybody get house for abroad. Some people never come house. No be say they no wan come. Na because they no go fit come because they don dey tie down here. E no easy as we dey hear am. E no easy as we dey hear am. No be by location. God wey dey bless for abroad, dey bless for house. God no dey abroad. God no live some place, dey some place. God dey everywhere. Na the destiny of man, the light of man, the star of man, na im dey shine. No be the light of a location or this thing. No. My brother, no be by power, na by God. Na by God oh, na by God. So if you want balance, make you get God. If you want balance, get God. Now who get God, na im get everything because God no dey shake. Economy fit shake. Plenty things fit shake. Life go shake you. But make I tell you, God, e no dey shake. Now who get God, na im balance. Na God get economy. Na God na im get everything. Na God na im get the final say. Na im be the oga kpatakpata of all. So that your situation, that your everything, na God get the final say. Why you no go thank God? Why you no go thank God? Why you no go thank God? You no know say to die no hard. Why you no go thank God? You no get today, but you go get tomorrow. If you no dey today, no mean say you no go dey forever. If e better before, e no better now. E no mean say e no go better pass as e dey better before. Why you wan kill yourself? Why you wan use worry kill yourself? No run pass where God keep you. Everybody turn na time by time, turn by turn. As e don be other people turn, you no know say e go still be your turn one day. If all of us build house the same time, who go build the new one wey dey come? If all of us buy car the same time, na the same time all of them go old. Who go buy the latest? Who go buy the latest? So this place where you dey, Make you no feel say God don't reject you. Make you no feel say life, e no better now, e go better later. If e rough now, e go straight later. Life never finish. You know, you say who get pocket, even if money no dey. E get trouser. E get waist. How many people get waist to even wear trouser where you deep say they even find pocket where money go dey? God no try for your body. God no try for your body. Make you too reason am. You want tell me say God no try for your body? My brother, God try. God try. God never work finish. He still dey work. This one wey God don do for you, where you dey today, make you thank God. This life wey you see today, make you thank God. If you wake up this morning, make you thank God. If you see the sun, make you thank God. You no go understand. You no go understand. E no dey hard. Now to just close this eye, the person don't go be that. You don't go be that. Now you dey worry. Now you dey beat yourself. Now you dey kill yourself. You dey run from this place. You dey go pillar. You dey go post. Your blessing no dey post. Your blessing no dey pillar. Now your hand, now God hand, now your blessing dey. And God go do am when you want do am. So why you dey worry? Why you dey worry? Why you dey worry? Now you create yourself. God will create you, no say he go bless you. God will create you, you no say he go bless you. He create you, mean say don't forget about you. I beg, make you happy. Happy. Everything we go get for this life, nobody go carry anything come out. Nothing where you go take come out. Nothing. Why you want to kill yourself? I beg, rejoice, oh. Rejoice. Who get life, now they enjoy. Who get life, now they get hope. Who get life, now go think of tomorrow, now go even plan. People who don't die, then they plan. I think their plan they for ground. Who go even do the plan where them plan keep? Nobody go do plan where them plan keep. I beg, rejoice. You go better pass like this. Go better. I don't know as it be for you. Oh. I don't know the position where you dey hear this video. Mama tell you, you go better pass like this. I don't see God do things. See, you go better pass like this. You go better. E go better pass like this. E go better pass like this. E go better pass like this. Ma tell you, e go better pass like this. No be the way you think and I God go take do one. No be the way people think and I God go take do one for your body. E go better pass like this. E go better. E go better, my brother. E go better, my sister. You go sad. E go better. E go better. Now wetin concern this God now they do. God no they take excuse from anybody. You know they take advice. You no need to consult anybody for your matter. I beg, now God hand your life there. I beg. Now God hand now your life there. You go better pass like this. You go better. Your own never finish. Now rough, 19 is rough. You go straight. Something sour, it go sweet again. It go sweet. It never finish. It never finish. Some people they don't get money, they don't get life. You get life. You get hope. Now you they cry. Eva, go better pass like this. Go better. Because me, I know say your story must change. I know say your story must change. I know say your story must change. I know say you must better. I know say it go better for you. Are they sure? Are they 100% sure say it go better for you? I know say your story must change. If that change no dey quick come, we go use dance, we go enter that change. Abi how you see am? We go use dance enter the change. Abeg happy. God still dey throne, God still dey reign, God still dey throne. He still dey throne. In ten or no dey finish. God still, as long as say God still dey throne, it go better for you. Go better. Go better for you, abeg. Go better. It go better for you pass as you think am. It go better for you pass as your family think am. It go better for you pass as this world think am. You yourself, you go shock. You go shock how God go take bless you, how God go take decorate you. Wetin God go do for your life. You go shock. Abeg, dey happy. Rejoice. For the one wey you see today, rejoice. For the one wey you see today, thank God. Thank God. You go better pass like this. People wey don dey where dem dey, dem know say dem go dey there one day. Dem no know. Dem no know. Na God na him get every man road. Na God get every man history. Na God get every man blessing. My brother, go better pass like this. Go better. Go better. Me, I go rejoice say e better for you. Because me, I know say e go better pass for you. E go better. You go better. Wetin you dey find wey you no go get, wey God no go, more than wetin you dey find, God go give you. He go give you. The place where you no even think say you go ever reach, God go carry you pass there. You go shock for your body. You go wonder, say, God, wetin I do? How it happen? No matter how the night stay long, day must break. Your day go break. If you no break today, it go break tomorrow. You go better pass like this. No think and no reason. No matter wetin the situation they talk, no matter wetin clock they talk. Leave clock, leave clock, leave clock, leave clock. Just leave clock. You no matter wetin your situation they talk. You no matter wetin your dress code they talk. Whether you get cloth, you no get cloth. You no matter the situation how it be now. You go better pass as it be. If you never better before, ready, you go better now. If you don't better before, things come sour. It go better pass as it be. If you don't already better for you, now so it go dey better for you they go. Before I go forget, make I even tell you congratulations. Congratulations for the new level and for the new thing wey God want do for your life. Because now so better things. Now then go they hear about you. So make I could tell you, congratulations. Me, I celebrate you. I celebrate you because your life is full of blessings. Blessings. Even if you no see them, me I see and say your life. Na so blessing full am. Na so blessing na full am. So I beg, thank God. I beg, go thank God. Thank God. Tell God thank you for the one way you don't they see for your eye. Tell God thank you. God to try for your matter. God to try for your body. Tell God thank you. What you don't do for God before? What you don't give God? What you don't do for God before? All the things where God they do for you. The things where you don't even look where God they do for you. They do for you. They look as a small thing. You feel do them by yourself. You feel do them. But thank God, more they grateful. More they grateful. God try for your body. More they grateful. You will be celebrity. You will be great. You will be king. You will go reign. Your noise then go hear am. You, my brother, you don't know yourself. Oh. You don't know yourself. Now I make you they think like this. You don't know yourself. You don't know who you be. You don't know what you carry. It go better. It go better pass as it be. It go better pass as it be. Forget people. Forget people. Now wetin God talk now they more important. People no balance. Life no balance. Only God now balance. If you know say life go balance for you, you go hold God. Oh. You go find God. Because now for only God hand, now in life balance. Now God balance. Now God they sure pass. Now God they sure. Now God correct pass. So you go hold God. Who get God? He get everything. No? Who get God? He get everything. Who get God? We get everything. Who get God? Get everything. Who get God? Get everything. Who gets God? He gets everything. So make you no worry. Make you no beat your chest. Make your mind no fly. Make you no beat you. Pass as it beat you. Just the look am. That situation, it go pass. You wake up, you meet the problem. The day where God don't talk, say that problem don't do. You no go be by your effort again. You no go see am again. Why you no go relax? Why you no go rest? Now you dey do am by yourself. No be you go do am. No be you go bless yourself. No be you go solve am by yourself. Now God will get you. Will they back you? Now you go do am. So I beg, make you relax. Relax, oh. Relax. Relax. God don't bless you. Now say you never dey see am. You never dey see am. No mean say God never bless you. God don't bless you. God don't bless you. God don't bless you. Me, I see and say God don't bless you. I know say God don't bless you. God don't bless you. So make you enter that blessing where God don't bless you. Make you stop to the worry. Make you not allow devil come out food for your mouth. Oh. No allow Satan come out food for your mouth. Oh. No allow Satan come out food for your mouth. Oh. God don't bless you. Now celebrity for God now you be. Men go celebrate you. Everybody go celebrate you. But before them go begin to celebrate you, make you begin to celebrate yourself from today. Begin to celebrate yourself from today. And God go dey bring more celebration for you. More celebration for you. It is well with you, I beg. It is well with you. It is well with you. It is well with you. In the morning, he well with you. In the afternoon, he well with you. In the night, he well with you. He well with you. Just say make I share this one with you. Make you know say no be only you dey see yourself. I say make I share with you. Make you know say no be only you dey see yourself. That way your mind dey tell you no be so e be. That way people dey tell you no be so e be. Beg, you will be blessing. You will be blessing. I beg. As you wake up, as you hear the, if you just wake up, make you just watch. As you just watch this video, I beg. Just stand up, oh. Dust your leg, oh. Dust your body. Just dey thank God they go. Just dey thank God they go. Just dey thank God they go. Call her name, just dey thank God they go. Just dey thank God they go. Don't know who you be. You. Congratulations once again before I forget, I beg. Congratulations, oh. Congratulations. 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 I rejoice with you. I'm happy with you. God do am for you, I'm happy. God do am for you, I'm happy. You go do am pass like this. Now so happy, I go dey happy for you. If I'm not happy for you, wait here again. Now my brother you be, now my sister you be. I go happy with you. Now my God they do am. Now God they do am. God. God nine they do am. Beg. Go do am for you. Go do am for you. Congratulations. I better make you go happy or go rejoice. No worry again. No cry again. No cry again. No, no cry. No cry. No worry. No cry. Oh. No cry again. Make you no worry. No worry. No worry. All those prayers where they pray, God don't hear them. God don't hear everything. Everything in the year. Person wey create ear, how no go hear? You don't hear say person wey do ear no go hear. Ah. Now wow. Congratulations.